Hi, I'm Kent Burke. I'm an attorney at the Scottsdale, Arizona law firm of Burke Law Group, where we handle probate, trust, estate, and other types of matters in Arizona. Sometimes we get called and people ask, what does it mean per stirpes? I'm a beneficiary of my mom's will, and it says that I and my siblings each get a share in her estate per stirpes. Well, per stirpes basically means that each of the children who are surviving, or each of the children who have died but left their own children, grandchildren of the person who originally died, of the grandchildren of the parent, each get 1/3 of the estate. So let's take an example. Let's say mom died and left 3 children, and her will said, I leave my estate in equal thirds to my children per stirpes. Child number 1 survived. Child number 2 has passed away but left 2 children or grandchildren of the mom, grandmother. Let's say then child number 3 died but left no children. The way that that would get divided in a per stirpes situation is child number 1 would get 50%, and then the 2 grandchildren of child number 2 would split the remaining 50% each, and therefore they would get 25% of the total. Another standard for distribution is by representation or per capita. That's a little bit different. And a way to remember that by representation is equally near, equally dear. And basically that means is that if the mother in the same example left 3 children, child number 1 survived, child number 2 died and left 2 grandchildren, child number 3 died but left 3 grandchildren, it would be divided to where 1/3 each for each of the children, and the first third would go to the child who survived, and then the remaining 2/3 would be combined and then split equally among the 5 grandchildren. So the 5 grandchildren would get 1/5 of 2/3 of the entire estate. That's how by representation or per capita works. If you have any questions regarding the interpretation of a will or a trust, or what it means to apply a distribution per stirpes or by representation, don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email through our website. Thank you.